What's up, you wonderful people and you beautiful people out there? Bring you the rechargeable battery for the Hero Black. It also says Hero 7 Black, Hero 6 Black, but from what I hear, you need the functionality of this lifetime warranty. No, you need the limited function of the blue strip in order for some of the features to work on the Hero Black 8. Limited lifetime warranty, rechargeable lithium-ion battery for your GoPro, rechargeable battery included. Let's see if there's anything that comes with this other than just the battery. So it's compatible with all these models here. So we've all gotten batteries for these things. Let's see if there's anything new. The warranty paper, and that's it for that. More warranty papers, and the battery is here. You always get that little compressed look on the tops of it, like it's collapsing or expanding, but it is fairly good. Most of these batteries actually came kind of flattened out with the older versions, but this bluer one is really good. Anyways, guys, this was the GoPro battery for your Hero 8 Black for all the features to work. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day.